can't charge your iPhone more than 80%? Well, if your iPhone stops charging after reaching 80%, it's likely due to a feature called Optimized battery charging or other settings aimed at preserving battery health. Here's how you can troubleshoot and fix the issue to allow your iPhone to charge more than 80%. Solution 1. Turn off Optimized battery charging. Open Settings on your iPhone and select Battery. If you are using a new iPhone, select Charging. For old iPhone, tap on Battery Health and Charging. Turn off Optimized battery charging. This feature is designed to reduce battery aging, but disabling it can allow your iPhone to charge beyond 80%. Connect your iPhone to the charger again to see if it continues charging past 80%. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 2. Use a different charging cable and adapter. Try using different Apple-certified chargers, cable, or adapter. If possible, use a different power source or outlet. Connect your iPhone with another cable and adapter and check if it charges normally past 80%. If not, try the next process. Solution 3. Check for iOS updates. Open Settings. Then go to General. Tap on Software Update and check if any updates are available. If there is an update, install it. Updates often contain fixes for charging and battery management issues. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Go to Settings. Scroll down. Then tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset. Choose Reset all settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords but won't delete your data. After the reset, connect your iPhone to the charger to see if it charges past 80%. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of your iPhone not charging past 80%. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions. Thanks for watching.